kindergarten. Today, me and my mom will be making, try to guess, cinnamon ornaments.
Very good. So this is a really easy recipe, and it's just fun to do around the holiday season. So all we need is 1 cup of cinnamon, a half a cup of applesauce, and a half a cup of glue. Okay, so we're gonna start here, and we're gonna do the cinnamon first. Now, we get the cinnamon at the dollar store, $1 a can.
Mostly it's because our old can is ran out.
All right, so this is a half cup. We need a whole cup of cinnamon, so we're going to fill it up 2 times. 1.
And here's 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
Good.
2 scoops. That is 2 halves.
All right. The next thing we need is a half a cup of applesauce. So we're hoping this is right around a half a cup. All right. Think we should measure it or just pour it in? Measure it. All right. See how close we get. It's pretty close.
Yeah. It's pretty much not full all the way.
Do you want to try to scoop the rest of the applesauce out of that into the bowl?
All right.
Use the stick. And while Piper's doing that, the last thing we need is a half a cup of glue.
Uh-oh, I got some on the table.
That's all right. Okay.
Okay, done.
There we go. All that glue in there.
Mostly, I love the smell of this.
Smells very good.
So satisfying.
All right. Now, we're going to hit pause and get this all mixed up, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Nope. All right, so we have this almost all mixed up, and we decided that we're going to put some glitter in too. Right, Pipes?
Yep. We even have blue glitter, silver glitter, and white glitter.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly all of these colors
All right. So
are in
woo!
Christmas colors.
That in.
Yep.
It is a little bit messy, as you can see by my fingers, but that's okay, right? Some gold glitter. And
Silver.
some silver
White.
glitter, silver white. Good.
And we even have a mitten one, which if this was my size, my hand could fit in it.
All
And
right.
now my mom is mixing it up. Which it clearly looks really fancy.
Clearly looks very fancy.
And even though I'm wearing no shoes.
All right. So here is our dough. It smells delicious. And we're going to put it here on the table and smush it out. Now, if you have a rolling pin at home, you can use a rolling pin.
Wow, with your hand, which my mom is doing.
Okay. All right, Piper. What? You're going to use the mitten?
Mitten, yep.
Okay, now when you do it, put it on the side so we have room to get a few ornaments out of it. All right. Turn it the other way. Flip it around. Sharp side down. There you go. All right, push it in hard. Good. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Good girl. All right, you want to do the gingerbread man too?
Mm-hmm.
Push them in hard.
Is this the sharp? Is that
Yep,
the sharp?
that's good. Good job. And then the last thing to remember is you're going to leave these. I leave them on my heater here at school to dry. But always, we like to use a straw or something, and we put a little hole right in the top. So that way when they're dry, you can put a string or a pipe cleaner through them and hang them
On your Christmas
on
tree.
your Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this activity and get to try it with your families. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.